Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you how to clean the microphone on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus phone. The microphone is located here. Additionally, there is a second one located here. One is for calls. Here we have it. Oh, you can see it. This is the microphone for the speakerphone mode, or for noise cancellation from the surroundings when you're talking to someone. And here is the one for regular calls. This is the microphone right here. To clean it, we need to, of course, always turn off the phone first. Always turn off the phone before starting the cleaning process. We need isopropyl alcohol and a brush, preferably one with stiffer bristles, rectangular in shape. Ours is from a set like that. You can buy one yourself. If not, you can also use a regular toothbrush. Just make sure the bristles are medium hard or soft. Your friend is recommending fixing your phone today. We soak the brush thoroughly with alcohol. If you happen to find that you don't have a spray bottle like that available, you can instead carefully pour a small amount of rubbing alcohol and then clean it thoroughly. Just like this, specifically where the hole is located. You should brush towards the right hand side about 10 times, then brush towards the left hand side about 10 times, and then move the brush up and down also about 10 times in each direction, so that all of the accumulated dust and debris effectively comes out of the hole from every possible direction. And so the microphone works very well and sounds clear afterward. Once we are completely finished with the first microphone, we will proceed to repeat this exact cleaning process step by step with the second microphone. It's important to have both microphones clean, because this comes in handy, especially during calls. If you have a situation where you can't hear the other person, or the other person can't hear you well, the problem might be with the speaker or the microphone. But it could also be an issue with this microphone, or with the other microphone, so it also depends on which mode you're using to talk. It could be a problem with one of the two microphones. Now the second one as well. A few times in one direction, then in the other direction. Then this way, and again in the other direction. A few times in each direction so that the microphone is thoroughly cleaned. We should carefully put the phone down and leave it alone for about 10 minutes to let all of the alcohol evaporate completely. And only after that time has passed can we safely use it again. So, just calmly leave it there for at least 10 full minutes before you try turning it back on, ensuring that absolutely nothing bad happens to the device. But if you use 100% isopropyl alcohol, nothing will happen. Maybe the microphone will act a bit strange for a while, until the alcohol evaporates. But if you leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, your phone will be ready to use right away. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.